White and Gym Red variant joins Jordan Brand's expanding collection of Air Jordan 4 RM colorways for Fall 2025. This variant offers a modest texture contrast with a smooth white leather upper and light sail suede at the midfoot and toe box. Shiny DPU paneling envelops the back, displaying the Jumpman and Nike Air emblems, an uncommon combination of vintage and contemporary designs on one pair. In the meantime, the heel clip, tongue logo, and midsole details all feature touches of black and gym red, which provide recognizable Chicago Bulls flair. The construction underneath is similar to that of the Air Jordan 4, with the redesigned upper providing a more aerodynamic profile and visible air in the heel and herringbone tread for traction. Performance and lifestyle sensibilities are balanced by the hybrid approach, which makes this pair a simple daily wear option with heritage built in. It is anticipated that Nike.com and a few Jordan Brand stores will carry the Air Jordan 4 RM White and Gym Red in the autumn of 2025.